In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck, like that, and install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare2 developer. When it's ready, launch it. As you can see, after that, I can access all the information about my device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!